Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Deel Payroll to your US bank, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Deel Payroll to your US bank, start by logging into your Deel account. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments section from the main dashboard. In the Payments section, look for the option labeled Withdrawals. Click on Withdrawals to view your available funds. Select the amount you wish to transfer to your US bank account. Next, you will need to choose your withdrawal method. If you haven't already linked your US bank account, you'll need to do this now. Click on Link Bank Account and enter your bank account details. Make sure to input the correct routing and account numbers to avoid any issues. Once your bank account is linked, return to the Withdrawals section. Review your withdrawal amount and ensure everything is correct. After confirming the amount, click on the Submit button to process your withdrawal. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been submitted. Withdrawals typically take a few business days to process. Once processed, you'll see the funds reflected in your US bank account. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding the status of your withdrawal. If you encounter any issues, contact Deel support for assistance. That's how you withdraw from Deel Payroll to your US bank account seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.